What's going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, host of the How To Show, where we talk about optimizing life, money, and happiness one how to at a time. Welcome back to the show, everyone. This week we're talking about student loans, and more specifically the pause that has existed for the last while, and why it's important is specifically to talk about it right now as we're in the end of March. Student loan pauses are expected to expire on May 1st, which means that if you have a student loan payment outstanding with the federal government, about 12% of the population does. Unless something changes, the student loan repayments are going to get back on track in May. And that can be a daunting thought. And so I just wanted to spend some time this week talking about, what that looks like practically speaking. The student loan pause started in March of 2020. And so that was 2 years ago. And there's a good chance that over the last 2 years, your life has changed in some capacity or another. And so getting used to a new normal with a student loan payment again could be a challenge, based on your lifestyle change, based on maybe the number of people relying on your income changing, based on a whole lot of uncertainty in the world right now. And so wanted to spend some time just a word of caution, if you find yourselves in a situation where you still have student loan debt, to spend some time this week and really spend some time for the month of April thinking about what my budget and what my income and my outgo look like if I were to plug my student loans back in there. And so just to get ourselves in the mindset of making sure that we can still cover all of our needs while repaying our student loan payment, we want to make sure that we're not setting ourselves up for any sort of meltdown later on, and just get out ahead of this issue, because again, unless something changes, those payments are scheduled to go back on track on May 1st. So just wanted to put this out there as a word of caution, and really an opportunity for you to look at your finances overall and to see what things are looking like in your world. Is it going to be easy to resume those payments? And if it's going to be a challenge, what can you do in the next 4 to 5 weeks to prep yourself to hopefully make that transition a little easier for you? That's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. Hopefully you got something out of it. And if you did, share it with somebody that you think can do the same. And as always, you can like and subscribe to the channel to be the first to know about new content each and every week. You can check out the podcast as well. And if you are looking to sell your home in the Indianapolis market, I am here to help you with that. You can get in touch with me in the comments, in the show notes, or at IndyDwell.com. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.